Greatest impacts again from the storm certainly will be right along the coastline, and that's where we find our own meteorologist Jacqueline Thomas braving the elements out there. Real pleasant beach day out there, Jackie.
Oh yeah, pleasant. Definitely not the word I would use for being out here today. It is cold, let me tell you, especially with these gusts that we're getting here now. Some gusts here along the coast, right around 25 miles per hour, but it feels so much more raw and bitter just because of these chilly temperatures that we're seeing out here today. And of course, the rain on top of it doesn't help things either. Just miserable to be standing out in this type of weather, and the wind coming in right off of that water, that easterly wind really helping to give that chilly feel as well. So gusts right now around 25 miles per hour, and right at the seacoast, that's where we are expecting some of those stronger wind gusts. Could potentially have some gusts upwards of 40 miles per hour, perhaps up to 45 in isolated gusts that we see as the strongest winds move in later on this evening and tonight. But splash over may be possible, especially later on too, as we approach that high tide cycle right around 8 o'clock this evening here at the coast. So just a few things to watch out for here where we are in Hampton. And those waves, if I step out here, those waves really crashing pretty good back behind me there. You can see how much movement there is in that ocean, in that water. That wind, again, coming right off the water. My hood won't even stay on with these gusts that we're getting here at the coast. So that's what conditions are like here right now. For now, live in Hampton, Jacqueline Thomas, WMUR News 9.